A comparison between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. 1. Design asterisk. iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro Max retains the sleek design language of its predecessors, featuring a stainless steel frame with glass panels on the front and back. It may introduce slight refinements in terms of dimensions and weight. iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max might undergo a design overhaul, potentially introducing new materials or finishes. Rumors suggest Apple may experiment with a titanium frame or ceramic back, offering enhanced durability and aesthetics. 2. Display asterisk. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Expect the iPhone 14 Pro Max to feature a stunning Super Retina XDR display, likely with promotion technology for smooth scrolling and improved responsiveness. The display size and resolution may remain similar to the previous model. iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max could feature advancements in display technology, possibly introducing a micro-LED display for deeper blacks, higher brightness, and improved power efficiency. There might also be enhancements in resolution and refresh rate for an even more immersive viewing experience. 3. Performance asterisk. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Anticipate the iPhone 14 Pro Max to be powered by Apple's next-generation A16 Bionic chip, delivering exceptional performance and energy efficiency. It will likely offer improvements in CPU, GPU, and neural engine capabilities. iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to feature the latest A17 Bionic chip, boasting even faster performance and enhanced AI capabilities. With advancements in chip architecture and manufacturing process, users can expect smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and improved gaming experiences. 4. Camera asterisk. iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is likely to feature a sophisticated camera system with upgrades in sensor technology and computational photography. Expect improvements in low-light performance, autofocus speed, and overall image quality. iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may introduce revolutionary advancements in camera technology, such as larger sensors, improved optical image stabilization, and enhanced computational photography features. Users can anticipate groundbreaking capabilities for capturing stunning photos and videos in various conditions. 5. Battery life asterisk. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Battery life on the iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to be comparable to its predecessor, thanks to optimizations in hardware and software. Users can expect all-day battery life under typical usage scenarios. iPhone 15 Pro Max. With potential efficiency gains from the A17 Bionic chip and optimizations in power management, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could offer improved battery life compared to previous models, ensuring longer usage between charges. 6. Features asterisk. Both models are likely to offer a range of features including 5G connectivity, Face ID, MagSafe compatibility, and advanced iOS software capabilities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may introduce additional features or improvements based on user feedback and technological advancements. 5. In conclusion, while both the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to offer impressive performance and features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could potentially raise the bar with significant upgrades in design, display, camera, and performance, setting a new standard for flagship smartphones.